Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best miter saw that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best miter saw. Building your gardening benches, tool benches, and shelves can be a time-consuming process if you don't have the correct tools on hand to help you. The miter saw can help you make sharp cuts, precision designs, and you can end up with professional-grade products that look like you purchased them in the store. You can get a shot of pride each time you see them. You can get a high-quality saw. Number 5. DeWalt 12-inch miter saw 15-amp single bevel compound miter lock that provide repeatable accuracy and durability with easy adjustments. Machine base fence support maintains fence perpendicularity. Main features: stainless steel miter detent plate, comfortable side handles, 4,000 RPM motor. Number 4. Delta Power Equipment Corporation miter saw with laser. The Shopmaster 10 inches miter saw is perfect for the dyer in the family or for everyday use. The battery-powered laser ensures an accurate cut every time. Main features: lightweight unit, spindle lock holds, full bevel. Number 3. Skill 3821-01 Quick Mount Compound Miter Saw with Laser. It has an innovative design with positive stops for setting common miter angles. This miter saw speaks well of its safety. Main features: powerful 15-amp motor, quick mount system, 9 positive stops. Number 2. Makita LS0815 F8 half-slide compound miter saw with free. Ultra-thin curved carbide tip design provides smoother cuts with minimal material loss. Tooth design for fast and clean cuts. Main features: fully hardened steel saw plates, compact and lightweight design, powerful 10.5 AMP. Number 1. Bosch Power Tools Corta Dual Bevel Sliding Glide Miter Saw. High precision square lock quick release fence aligns fence 90 degrees to saw's table and requires no adjustment. Main features: expanded cutting capacity 14-inch. Patented glide system allows stainless steel miter scales. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.